In this video, we're going to be showing you how to upload files to Google Gemini. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once we're on Gemini, to upload files, we simply need to click the plus icon on the bottom left of the prompt box, then select Upload Files. We can now select a variety of different files to upload, including Word documents, images, PDFs, spreadsheets, and much more. I'm simply going to upload this image. Then we can ask questions based on what we have uploaded. So I'm simply going to ask, what is this image of? As you can see, it has successfully worked out that this is an image of a lotus flower. That's all we have for this video on uploading files to Gemini. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.